LVNI Group was founded in 2011, headquartered in Panyu, Guangzhou, with a production base in Yongzhou, Hunan Province, covering an area of 30,000 square meters. Our company integrates scientific research, design, production, sales, and trade. It is a high-tech enterprise that provides mid to high-end commercial kitchen, air-cooled refrigerators, cold chain cabinets, smart refrigerators, star-rated hotels, and kitchen equipment solutions, and is dedicated to building a digital intelligent factory. The introduction of large-scale, high-precision, intelligent manufacturing equipment with informatization, high-standard quality management system restrict the whole production process, we achieve 1.0 Intelligent Management and Digital Production Workshop. We have an ETL, NSF, CE, ROHS, ISO, CCC, MSDS, and other certifications. The factory adopts a strict process of production, equipped with intelligent robots for the assembly of automated production lines, welding, and other processes to improve production speed and precision, but also the introduction of laser, CNC foaming machine, laboratory, and other modern production equipment is committed to the development of new products to meet the different needs of different customers. Our company has established a strict testing team with an independent testing center. Each product is delivered to customers to go through many times to test product quality to ensure the safety and stability of the product. Products are exported to all over the world, except orders from OEM and other places. Whether you choose the current products from our catalog, website, or seek engineering help for your application, we warmly welcome you to cooperate with us for a better future.